Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can join the Bee Swarm Roblox Discord server. So just go to Roblox, or go to Discord, sorry, and go to the bottom of your server list and just press on add a server right here. And then we're going to select join a server. And this is what you need to type. You need to type discord.gg/b. So discord.gg/b, and then you press on join server. And as you can see, we're taken to the Bee Swarm Simulator Roblox Discord server. So you need to follow this channel's updates in your own server if you want to get access to it. So you need to follow these, and then verification, it will require rover verification as well. So make sure you check the pinned comment. I have a tutorial on how you can verify using rover. So just press on rover, and then that's it. That's how you join the Bee Swarm Simulator server on Roblox, the Discord one. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.